Hello everybody. Well, you've probably been wondering how come you've not heard anything about the F650, or for that matter anything else. Well, the answer, I'm afraid, has been quite dramatic, because I have been subjected to an attack of COVID-19. A bad attack left me in hospital for well over a week. As a result, I'm in pretty poor health when I came out of hospital, unable to do anything, couldn't go anywhere, not allowed to do anything, not allowed to go anywhere. Now, and only now, I'm beginning to get my strength back, and I'm able to continue the fight. Well, I'm hoping that you haven't been worrying too much about why I haven't posted videos for the last couple of months. I wanted to just put a video on, just so that you know I am here still, but you know, not been working. Next week I've got a carburetor video coming out, how to strip the carburetors on the F650, and I'm hoping in the very near future to do a bike won't start video, so that then that'll help people that have got bikes and having problems with them, help you get over the problem of a bike that won't start, and to try and get the engine back into action, especially as it won't be too long, a couple of months, and we'll be back out on the bikes again. Back out, because there's nothing worse in this country anyway than the winter, because the bikes get put away, you freeze, and even working in the garage, doing a little bit in the garage with the door shut, can sometimes be bloody freezing. If you look here, I've been stripping an engine down, or was stripping an engine down before I had the COVID attack, and literally it's stripped, but it's had to stay there, because pretty much this is the first time I've been back out in the garage since I come back. There's the engine down there. The engine is out of a Fiat 500. Just a rebuild that I'm doing. Couple of seats out of another car that I'm doing a full resto on the interior. Once again, that'll have to wait, but hey ho, we'll get there in the end. Thanks for sticking with me, and hopefully there'll be some more videos coming soon.